Everyone talks about getting rich, but few talk about staying calm. This isn't a hype video. It's a look at one of the most powerful ideas in investing ever written. This book has been called the Bible of investing, The Intelligent Investor, written by Benjamin Graham in 1949. Warren Buffett calls it the best investment book ever written. But what's really inside this book? What makes it so timeless? And what can it still teach you, even if you're just starting out? Let's go beyond the quotes, beyond the legend. Let's understand the mindset behind the method. I remember the first time I read this book. I didn't feel smarter, but rather more serene. As if, finally, I no longer needed to run to win. Benjamin Graham was a professor at Columbia, a legendary investor, and the mentor of Warren Buffett. He lived through the Great Depression, and it shaped everything he believed about money, markets, and emotion. His legacy, a style of investing rooted not in hype, but in reason, in discipline, in safety. This book doesn't just teach you how to invest, it teaches you how to think. The first lesson in the book: don't confuse investing with speculating.
Investing. I look for value. I wait. I act when the facts align. Patience pays.
Speculating. I follow the buzz. I move fast. I act on instinct. Timing is everything.
You chase prices. I study businesses. You react. I plan.
I win big. I lose fast. It's the thrill.
I build wealth. Slowly, quietly, but it lasts.
Let's see who wins tomorrow.
I'm not playing for tomorrow.
Most people think they are investors, but often, they are just reacting to noise. Graham's most famous concept, the margin of safety. It means never paying full price for a stock, because the future is uncertain. Even the best analysis can be wrong. So you buy with a cushion. If a company is worth $100, try to pay $70. If you're wrong, that cushion protects you. The margin of safety is always dependent on the price paid. Graham invented a character, Mr. Market. He's your business partner. Every day, he offers to buy or sell your shares at a different price. Some days, he's irrational. Other days, he's euphoric. Your job isn't to react. It's to know the real value of what you own, and only act when the price makes sense. You don't work for Mr. Market. He works for you. Graham describes two kinds of investors, the defensive investor and the enterprising investor.
Defensive. I invest to sleep well, not to dream big.
Enterprising. I don't mind the extra work if it means extra reward.
I focus on quality companies with strong histories. No surprises.
I look where others don't, undervalued, unnoticed, maybe unloved.
Index funds, blue chips, bonds. That's my kind of diversification.
Special situations, small caps. I like doing my homework.
I have a full-time job. My portfolio shouldn't be one too.
Research is my fun. I like digging into balance sheets on weekends.
I protect capital. I don't chase returns.
I control risk by knowing what I own, deeply.
You seek opportunity.
And you protect stability.
We both win, in different ways.
One of Graham's core messages: your biggest risk isn't the market. It's you. Fear, greed, panic, overconfidence. These emotions make smart people do dumb things. The intelligent investor learns to stay calm, even when the crowd is losing it. The investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. The Intelligent Investor was written in 1949, and yet, it feels more relevant than ever. It doesn't chase trends. It doesn't predict the future. It teaches principles, discipline, margin, patience. And in a world of fast money and short attention spans, those principles are rare and powerful. The intelligent investor won't give you shortcuts. But it will give you something better, a way to think. You don't need thousands of dollars to benefit from this mindset. You just need to care about doing things the right way. Personally, it changed how I look at risk, patience, and opportunity. It didn't tell me what to buy. It told me how to think before I do. Let me know in the comments. Have you read it? Or are you planning to? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.